welcome back. Well, with several communities ravaged by recent storms, one local organization, MJ for Hope, is stepping up to help those in need. Joining me now is the Executive Director of MJ for Hope, Amy Breedlove, and District 9 Council Member Tanya Hancock. So thank you all so much for being with us. So much devastation across Middle Tennessee. I know Mount Juliet wasn't directly hit by the tornadoes, but you guys still want to help the communities that were hit.
Oh, absolutely. Sitting in my house on Saturday evening, our city reached out to me and said, hey, can we do something to help these communities? You know, we have our parade tomorrow, and can you get a button up and let's get out there and see our community. We've been hit, and so can we do something to help these communities? And I said, sure. And so it started from there, rolling. Yeah, for sure.
And how's the community, how's Mount Juliet doing? I know, I'm sure they know people that were directly impacted by the storms.
Right.
So.
You know, once this starts and it opens up, you get emails, you get calls, and everybody may have a family member or the businesses, that have been hit in Hendersonville. It's amazing. And then the Clarksville and the loss of lives in Nashville, You're happy it didn't hit you, but if you've been in a community that's been hit, like Mount Juliet has been, you know what they're about to face and what they're about to go through as a community, and it's a lot. And so we just, reached out to everybody and said, hey, do you have an avenue? I got in contact with the mayors of Hendersonville and Gallatin and said, do you have a nonprofit already set up? And if not, we are happy to help. And they said, we would love your help.
Wow.
Yeah.
And so viewers who are watching at home, how can they help?
So we have a button on our website at mjforhope.org. It says donate to the Middle Tennessee tornadoes. Once you click on the button, you can choose if you want it to go to Hendersonville, if you want it to go to Gallatin, and then we're going to set up a button this afternoon for Nashville metro area. And then there's a general fund. So we'll split. If you just want it to be split, you have the options. So, yeah.
Awesome. And, how does it make y'all feel that, that so many people were impacted by these storms? You said that Mount Juliet has been impacted by these kind of storms before. So, how does it make you guys feel that, like you mentioned, what these people are about to go through?
Yeah, we had a tornado, obviously, that struck Middle Tennessee through Davidson County, Wilson, and Putnam counties in 2020. So we've been through this recently, had a lot of destruction and a lot of recovery. And unfortunately, now we're headed through it again. We had 48,000 people without power as a result of the storms. NES has been working around the clock, and a lot of organizations and electrician crews from all sorts of other states have come in to help. So we're down to 1,165 homes without power now, hoping to wrap that up before the weekend. But it's tough with it being cold. We have an emergency shelter set up at Madison Community Center. We have the Red Cross set up there. And we also have nationalresponse.com, which is where anyone can go if they need help or if they want to help, whether they want to volunteer, donate supplies or time or money. And so it's all housed right there as well. And I appreciate the Mount Juliet for Hope because it provides fast access to funds for folks that can't always wait for their insurance to come through. They need to do repairs right now and they might not have the money out of pocket.
Yeah. Well, thank y'all so much for joining us here today. That was so much great information, so we really appreciate it. And for more on this story, you can head on over to our website and click the Newsmaker tab at WKRN.com.